a todos, soy Belu, espero que les guste el video que verán a continuación. Todo el contenido de este video fue sacado de mis streams en Twitch, así que si quieren verlos completos o solo apoyarnos, pueden ir al link del canal que estará aquí abajito en la descripción de este video. Muchas gracias por todo y nos vemos pronto, mis queridos cristalitos. Bye bye.
Don't you guys think this is a little bit...
Oh, come on. She deserves it.
Hannah! What's going on? Where's my sister going?
It was just a prank, Han.
First off, I gotta say, I am super excited to welcome all my pals back to the annual Blackwood Winter Getaway. I really want to spend some quality time with each and every one of you and just share some moments that we'll never forget. For the sake of my sisters.
I need to go find Sam.
Son of a bitch. So I got moved to the back and next to Josh. That's how we met. Boom. Butterfly effect. Man, I feel like this mountain gets bigger every time I climb it.
Oh yeah? That feels the same to me.
Dios.
Come on, you grew up here. It probably feels like it's shrinking.
I guess that's true.
When are you gonna install some cell towers up here? I'm getting withdrawals
Y yo
already.
creo que hacemos
You got a spare million lying
Pero
around,
no,
I'll
luego-
fix you right up.
y luego
Funny you should say that. I
Para.
think I left it in my other jacket. Oops.
el principio del stream
Get up
se
here, okay?
olvidamos.
Yeah.
No,
More or less, but it is so good to see you.
What's up with him?
Yo, yo, yo. We get things moving up here or what?
Yeah, man.
Hey, you doing all right? I mean, I know it must be really tough without your sis.
Stop.
I just meant
No,
that.
I know what you meant. You know, seriously, I'm over it. And I want us to have a good time, you know? Like we always used to. Damn it. This freaking thing.
It's iced.
What else?
Maybe there's another way in.
There are a million ways in. They're just all locked.
There's gotta be like a window around the corner we can get open or something.
Wait a second. Are you saying we should break in?
I don't think it's technically breaking in if you own the place, right?
Hey, not if I don't report you.
Um,
Lead the way, coachies.
hey, Ash.
Hi, Chris.
So, how are you doing?
Good, but a little cold. I think I could use some time curled up by the fire.
Yeah, that does sound pretty nice.
Ashley was looking pretty hot today, right? She's like a sleeper hit kind of gal, you know? Now I just want to rip that parka right off of her and make some snow angels, right?
Hey, cut it out, man.
Yeah, I mean, if you're not gonna bang her, maybe Michael take up the case.
Wait, will you back off already?
Relax. Just checking to see if there's some blood flowing down there.
Yeah.
Listen, dude, look around you. Look at these beautiful mountains. Do you see any parents? I mean, can you imagine a more perfect, ripe scenario just dripping with erotic possibilities? You and Ashley alone at last. You've laid all the groundwork. You've been a perfect gentleman. Now, you come in for the kill.
Maybe you're right.
You're a hunter, bro. No fear, no mercy. I mean, she won't even know what hit her.
all right, I got it. Jeez.
So, how are we planning on breaking into my parents' lodge, bud?
I didn't say I had a plan.
You sounded like you had a plan. You better deliver, Coach Reese, or else you got 4 lovely ladies who are gonna be freezing their buns off. And last time I checked, that's not a good way to get laid.
Oh, shoot. Nobody likes cold buns. Damn, I'm getting pretty low on juice here. I just had to turn off my GPS.
Well, 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 we got ourselves a thinker. Nice one.
Oh, I'm okay. Should have paid more attention in climbing class.
You mean Jim?
Yeah, you know, with the climbing up the rope.
Whoa.
Did I do that?
¿Pero qué?
I don't think so. Here, use this. Whoa, Chris, I just got an awesome idea.
Yeah?
Totally.
What is it?
Okay, so I'm pretty sure that I've got some deodorant in one of the bathrooms. You could use that with the lighter.
I don't follow. How's a stick of deodorant gonna help?
Spray on, it's a can.
Oh, yeah. Now I gotcha.
Flamethrower.
Just like we did with the little army dudes.
Yep, ones we melted. Just point the spray can in the lighter and whoosh.
Bye-bye frozen lock.
Bingo. All right, so you got this. I'm gonna go sort something out. You up for hunting around in the dark for a little bit?
Nope, but I'll do it.
Godspeed, Pilgrim.
Era M. Creo. Que se nos quema, dice.
Huh. That's cool. Huh? The hell was that? Whoa!
Hi, Chris. Very funny.
Oh, how'd you know it was me?
Shouldn't you be, like, getting the lock open or something?
On it.
Estoy muy tensa jugando. ¿Qué suena?
Get the fuck? Ah. Perfect.
Ay. Llegué a soltar.
We're freezing our buns off out here.
Thank you. I'll be here all week. Crap, that thing freaked me out.
What was it? Are you okay?
It was like a bear or a tiger or something.
Oh, it was just a cute little baby Wolverine.
Baby.
Don't worry, buddy. You're gonna be a big boy soon. Home, sweet home.
Sweet is not the word I'd use.
Oh my gosh, it's so good to be inside. Even if it's still kind of freezing in here.
I'll get a fire going.
This place barely looks any different.
Yeah, nobody's been up here.
Even with all the police coming in and out?
Not a lot of action up here lately.
No. What's up, party people?
Hey!
Hey!
Ay, no. ¿Verdad que lo
Make
hice
yourself
ver?
at home, bro. Will do.
Yeah, come on in. Take a load off. Have whatever you want. You just take whatever you want anyway, right?
Whoa. Easy there, cowboy.
Mm,
Mike, stay away from our girlfriend.
Dude, what are you talking about?
Stay away from Emily.
Emily? Why would I want anything to do with Emily?
Quit being such a dick, man. Nobody wants you here.
Seriously, what's your problem, meathead?
Bitch!
Hey, get off me!
Hey! What the hell is wrong with you two? We didn't come back here just to tear each other's heads off. I mean, we came back here to have a good time, right? Hey, Mike, why don't you and Jess go check out the guest cabin I told you about?
Yeah. Yeah, cool. Wanna head up there?
Sure.
So, Josh, should we get this fire going?
Where's my bag?
Huh?
My bag, the little bag with the pink pattern, the one I got on Rodeo. Matt, are you listening? Oh my god, don't you remember? Next to the Italian shoe place where I got the stilettos and you knocked over the rack while you were drooling all over that girl at the counter?
Well, I mean, she was asking about my letter jacket.
Right, because she gave a shit about your designer letter jacket.
Why do you hate my jacket?
Matt, I need my bag.
Oh my god, Em, maybe you just forgot it.
Do you seriously think I'd forget my bag?
Well,
Do you?
merece morir.
You must have left it down by the cable car station. Come on, hon. We'll be back soon.
And then we can get warm.
We can get very warm.
Okay. Okay, let's go.
Merece la muerte.
Okay, I'm gonna go take a bath.
La muerte.
Exiled.
Sexiled.
Works for me.
Ugh, Barr. How far is this cabin anyway?
This cabin is the coziest, The most romantic love den you will ever lay your eyes upon.
If we ever make it.
I have a feeling luck's on our side.
Play your cards right and maybe you will get lucky.
Hey, porn stars. You're gonna need these.
Porn star?
I'd pay to see it.
Gross.
Hey, I'm sorry to kick you out like that.
No worries, man.
Oh, I'm sure you'll find a way to entertain yourselves.
Mm-hmm. You have fun with the peanut gallery.
Oh, I almost forgot. Gotta fire up the generator so you can see where you're going. It's dark out there.
All right. Roger that.
I think Josh was flirting with me.
Okay. You want to invite him up with us?
Wait, really?
What? No.
Bueno, Mike igual merece la muerte porque por su culpa Hannah murió. Bueno, en realidad todos. La única que no hizo nada fue Sam. Planta generador.
Burr, it is freezing out here.
Now, that's something I can help you with.
And how are you gonna do that?
I got a few things in mind. Not a lot of TLC for this place anymore. Kind of a bummer.
So what the heck was all that muscle flexing back there with you and Matt?
You know, just a little peacock action for my lady.
Oh, really? That was all just to impress me?
Well, you gotta show off the goods when you got 'em.
Okay, you seemed pretty PO'd there, stud.
Dude was getting all territorial around M. What, am I not allowed to talk to her now that he's screwing her?
Free country.
Aquí cerca.
Huh. Guess this thing needs juice or something.
Didn't Josh say there was a generator?
¿Dónde estaba el generador?
I wish you could generate a little excitement about getting that freaking generator to work.
Okay, I'll just yell at it like you're yelling at me. Let's see if that works.
Tótem.
Hi. Wouldn't it be nice to fire up the Jenny and get moving?
What's a Jenny?
Será así.
All right. Let's see. Boom. Nice one, Mikey.
Woo! You are a wizard.
¡Ah! Pero sale de ahí. Que se me buguea, dice.
Shazam! The gates shall open.
Pretty good, right?
Yeah, totally. No, this is awesome.
Oh, yeah. I bring the hits. You psyched yet? You don't look psyched yet.
I am so psyched right now.
It's like a little adventure. A sexcapade.
Wow.
Hola, Timothy. Sí, ayer estuviste aquí.
Police tape.
From Hannah and Beth.
You'd think they'd clean it up.
Well, they never closed the investigation.
Okay, I'm getting the creeps now.
It's all such a blur. You can barely even remember what happened.
Well, what I remember is that we played a stupid, half-baked prank. Probably got Hannah and Beth killed.
Hey, I mean, it's not our fault they ran into the woods.
Yeah. How could anyone have expected them to do a dumb thing like that?
Perdón, chicos. Seguimos.
Yo puedo caminar, caminar.
Did you hear that?
I heard something. Yeah. Damn. I don't think we can get up to the cabin with a path block like this.
Oh, no way am I going back to the lodge, aka Wax Museum, to drink hot chocolate with Emily. You know what? Fuck it. We're adventurous.
Pero,
Jess! Fuck! Hey, Jessica!
Yep. Hey, I'm okay.
Holy crap, you scared the heck out of me.
How do you think I felt?
You didn't hit your head or anything.
As far as I can tell, I still have all 7 of my limbs.
Yeah. Can you get out?
I don't know. I can hardly see anything down here.
All right, Jess, there's a cart. I think if you can push it, you can get by.
All right. Okay, let me just try. It's too heavy.
Hey, so, babe, you see the little gap down there? Between the cart and the wall?
The tiny little gap?
Yeah, maybe you can just, you know, like shimmy through it or something.
pasa,
I
Timothy.
appreciate your confidence in my physique, but I don't think the ladies are gonna fit.
Oh, with the, right. Okay. Gotcha.
Okay, so why don't you either toss that light down or, you know, be a hero and jump down here to assist me?
All right, don't move. I'm coming in.
Better hurry up before some other hunky beefcake gets...
¿Qué fue esto?
Help me move this cart thing?
All right. Help me move it, help me move it. just grunting together. This is not what I pictured.
¡Ay! ¿Yo qué?
Oh my gosh, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Pucha, Timothy, pero sí, yo dije que quedaba poquito para
Thank you.
el stream.
Still got my teeth.
Hola, Darka, tranqui,
That's a
tranqui, no
plus.
hay drama.
Yes. Yes. Oh, Nelly. This place is giving me the willies. And not the good kind of willies.
Can I offer you a little comfort and reassurance?
We'll save it for the cabin buster.
¿Qué pasó por ahí? ¿De fortuna? No hay... Tranquila, ahí no podemos pasar.
Huh. Stogie.
Weird place to hang out and smoke cigars.
It's recent. Wonder who's out there. Whoa. This place is like historical.
Holy bat cave.
He's gotta be Native American, right?
I don't think the miners were getting their arts and crafts on, no.
No, it's like a shrine or something.
The shrine to what?
You alright?
Yeah. Close one.
I don't think this place is up to code.
Yeah, I'm thinking it's time to go.
No, por allí venía, por allí venía.
Jesus. This place is a real fixer-upper.
Finally, a little ray of hope. Wow. When Josh said cabin, I thought like Abe Lincoln.
Wait till you see the Lincoln bedroom.
Oh, are you planning on getting presidential on me?
Yeah. Wanna take a ride on Air Force One?
All right. Save it for the stump speech. Ooh, a telescope. Gonna look at the trees, gonna look at the clouds, gonna look at the cabin. Whoa.
You alright?
I just saw someone at the cabin.
Okay. Let me see.
Pero...
Sampling the old eggnog again, babe? It's just us up here.
Maybe.
Hey, Jess.
Mm-hmm.
Stay close by, okay?
What's that?
This posting says there's some brown bears up here sometimes.
Oh, Michael, I have the best idea.
What?
Let's go hug a bear. Come on, please. Come on.
Let's not hug a bear.
Watch out for
No me
it,
esperaba eso. Bueno, Timothy, suerte.
Rats with wings?
Oh, poor Mikey. Did a little birdie get your panties all bunched up?
These are gross. Like diseases and shit.
No me esperaba eso.
God damn it, Josh. Could you have at least cleared out the path before sending us up here?
Really?
What?
I didn't figure you for the glass half empty type.
You got a better idea?
Stand back, Debbie Downer.
Oh, boo! Show off.
Hey, Mike. You got something on your face.
Ah.
Boo!
Okay. Well, that's how it's gonna be. Jess? Jess!
Ay, no, Jess. Me caes bien. Jess, no.
Sammy!
What?
You wanna help me get this fire going?
Well, I was just getting into the bath.
Oh. Oh, do you need any help with that?
Hardy har. Come on. All right, Josh, let's see if you know how to hook up the hot water in your big fancy lodge.